Here is a summary of all security department positions: security manager, assistant security manager, security supervisor, security officer guard, surveillance operator, CCTV operator, loss prevention officer, fire and safety officer, emergency response coordinator, access control officer, security investigator, security system technician, risk and safety manager, canine handler, night security officer, health and safety coordinator. These positions collectively ensure a safe, secure, and comfortable environment for both guests and staff, addressing everything from theft prevention to emergency response and overall risk management. In the next video, we'll start the chapter about human resources department.